Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
The value graph plots property values over time, showing numeric change directly. Use it when you need precise control over motion or opacity. 1 second at 30 FPS equals 30 frames, and you can measure motion precisely. Keyframes have numeric values like 0 and 100, and you can edit them numerically. The horizontal axis represents time and frames, while the vertical axis represents the property value. Read the exact numbers at each point to diagnose animation issues and fine-tune smoothness. Drag keyframe handles to reshape curves and change transition timing. Click a keyframe and drag its incoming or outgoing handle to alter value acceleration. Set influence to 25% or 75% to shorten or lengthen easing regions for precise feel. Use 15 frames as a small timing adjustment or 30 frames for 1 second of change at 30 FPS. Watch the numeric readout as you edit handles, so you keep exact values and predictable motion throughout your sequence. Switch to the value graph from the speed graph to edit numeric values directly. Select multiple keyframes to adjust overall curve shape while keeping relative timing intact. Use hold keyframes for sudden jumps and Bezier handles for smooth curves and natural motion. When planning timing, remember that 1 second equals 30 frames at 30 FPS and 5 seconds equals 15 frames. Preview at full resolution and tweak values until the motion reads correctly and matches your intended timing and style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.